Hello, welcome back to How to Cook Great Food. On the menu today, really simple. We're going to do chicken with bacon and cream sauce. Really delicious. Great with some pasta if you want, or with some sort of boiled potatoes, or even just with some bread. Let's go take a look at the ingredients that we need. So before we look at all this, just want to let you know that all of the amounts of everything are going to be in the text below, okay? So we've got chicken. I've got chicken breast there, no skin, no bone. Bacon, you can use any type of bacon, streaky bacon, back bacon, it's up to you. Onion, a little bit of celery. I've got some cream there. Now that's a cooking cream. Let me just get that out of there for you. I've got some cooking cream there. It's thick, but it doesn't matter which cream you use, a thin one or a thin one. It's entirely up to you. I get a lot of questions about that, like half and single and double. We call it a different thing in the UK as you do in the States, for example. But yeah, it doesn't really matter what one you use, a thin or a thick one. Here I've got some salt and pepper, and I've got some oregano, and then I've got some chopped garlic. Let's start off by just cooking off our chicken. Okay, so I've got a little bit of olive oil in there. Heat's on. I'm just going to get our chicken breast, drop it in. I want to cook this on a kind of fairly lively heat. I want to cook it for about 4 minutes on each side. Just going to add a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, and I'll be flipping it a few times during the cooking process. Okay, that's ready. So I'm going to just fetch these out. Now if you're concerned that it's not cooked all the way through, don't worry, because there's some further cooking to do. There you go, set that aside, let's move on. So I'm staying in the same pan because we've got a nice bit of flavour there. I'm going to add a touch more olive oil now. And to that we're going to drop in our onion, our bacon. I'm using that unsmoked back bacon, but you can use smoked or, like I said, a streaky type thing if you want. It's up to you. And our celery. 4 minutes. I'll see you then. Okay, this is coming together really nicely, starting to brown up a little bit. And to this point I'm now going to add in our garlic. I didn't add the garlic in earlier because if we put it in with the rest of the stuff it would burn. Just want to go now for 2 minutes with that lovely garlic in there. Now I started this off with some olive oil, but you could be using butter if you wanted to. I just prefer the olive oil here. See you in a couple of minutes. Keep it moving now. Really wonderful. Okay, let's get some spices in there, or herbs. We're going to use the oregano, salt and pepper. If you want, maybe some thyme or something like that, basil, up to you. Just give that a little mix. Going to turn the heat down now to just above a simmer. And then we're going to drop in our cream. Like I said, I've got this thick cream here. Thin or thick works. There's about 200 ml there. 200, 225 I think. Let's just work this in. Heat's on low. Fantastic. Let's reintroduce our chicken. Flip that around, get some sauce all over that. I'm going to go for about 4 minutes now on this low heat. I'll be stirring it often. We're done. Okay, off goes the heat, and that's beautiful. Check that for salt and pepper. You might want to add a bit more seasoning. Think about maybe a little splash of white wine. I don't want to do that. Bit of Parmesan cheese. If you want it, don't use bacon, use some mushrooms if you want. Same sort of process, get the mushrooms in quite early. Really easy. You can serve that with some pasta, with some potatoes. That's up to you. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do give us a thumbs up. It helps us out a lot. Say hello. We do like to hear from you. Hope you're well. See you soon. Lots of love.